Today we are looking at a Jacobs 500-pound batch mixer. This is a vertical mixer. It's been put through the shop, rebuilt. This unit is ready to perform as good as a new one without costing near as much. It's got a nice coat of blue paint on it. We sandblasted this unit, serviced the bearings. The motor has been rebuilt by a motor technician. It has new bearings as well. We've got a new belt up top. Pulleys are in good shape. Motor is in good shape. Electrical wiring is in good shape. This unit is powered by a 110 volt electric motor. Plugs into a wall outlet. We have our inlet hopper here. You can see this is where your product is introduced. It's pulled up into the mixing chamber by the screw. And then after it's mixed, you can easily open up the door and have it empty out right here. This is a really nice little setup. Again, it mixes up to 500 pounds depending on the density of your product. If you're mixing a real fluffy product, it would mix less than 500 pounds, maybe 400 pounds. We also have an additive introduction opening here. So you can open that up and you can dump in some kind of an additive or a vitamin if you want to mix it into your feed. And then we also have a liquid introduction right here. You can open up this cap and you can attach a bottle with a threaded petcock valve or opening to introduce drops of additive if you want to add a liquid additive as well right here on the side. The hopper is approximately 24 inches wide by 14 inches deep. It's a little deeper on the sides here. It is approximately 36 inches up from the bottom of the skid here. The top of the skid to the edge of the hopper here is approximately 36 inches. And our discharge height is approximately 24 inches from the top of the skid there to the discharge of the mixer. We also have a clean out door here. This slides out. That allows you to get the unit completely clean. It's a really nice feature. We're going to plug this unit in so you can see it run. Okay, we have the unit hooked up to power. Hit the switch, fires right up, no hesitation on startup. Motor starts strong, runs strong. Again, it was rebuilt. The motor is going to run just like a new one. Pulleys are in good shape. There's no excess vibration. That means your screw is balanced well. We can see the screw turning around down there. Again, your feed or the product that you want to mix is introduced here. It's carried up into the mixing chamber, continually circulated by the screw. Then when it's done, it's discharged here. Then when you want to clean the mill out, because you're changing product, you can open up the bottom. You can also use the bottom as a discharge as well. It can be used for positive clean out discharge. Comes right along, no irregular noises. It's a real nice unit. Not going to cost near as much as a new one, but it will work just as well. This feed mixer, as well as other feed mixers of all styles, all makes, all models, larger and smaller than this, can be bought through us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.